Aloha. Me and Joris are now. What, you're doing your Macho now? Yes, for sure.
Macho Temple.
So this is in San Fernando that we are now, LaUnion. So we'll visit that place here. What is it exactly? I don't know outside that I see that
It's Macho.
on Google Map and I want to see more.
Oh,
So
you know
let's
what?
go.
I will tell you, there's something in here. The spelling is Macho, so Macho for us is like that.
Yeah, but not for them.
Show me.
Yeah.
And then, but it's a temple. It's a Chinese temple.
Chinese temple inside
Ay.
Philippine. So let's see how it is here.
So what it mean by macho?
I don't know, and we have a very nice tree. Oops, control is not same. We have a very nice tree here.
What is that? A nice tree. There are many birds there inside.
Oh no, it's mixed like with something like a kind of coconut tree style a bit.
They have those one. They are good to make those one. How you call that again? Dwarf.
Bonsai.
Bonsai. My God, those are big trees actually.
Very big. On the bottom.
They have also Bougainvillea for sure.
Many colors.
Pink.
We see many on their last video not long ago.
This is what amazed me.
At Agro Nature Park. You can check that on my channel. You find the Hobbit house there. Joy's home.
Where?
Hobbit house in Nature Parks.
Yeah. Oh, Pascal, there's a lotus. It's my first time to see long time lotus.
Okay.
Yeah, you see? This is lotus.
What's inside the water? They have fish inside. They have guppies. Would be hard to show them, but they have guppies and they have fries. They have baby fries there. Oh, should ask them. Can I bring some home? They're tough. Those ones that live outside in pond like that. They are healthy.
Guppies? Yeah. Where? I did not see. Oh, okay.
They have many, small one.
Yeah, we can get out.
So let's see. We'll go inside. I will pause a bit. We'll pay per fee. Okay, we're entering now. So it's really like a temple, more like a church. So Joyce was not very well dressed for that. She did not know it.
They don't allow sleeveless.
Yeah, so she took something a bit more covering.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Let's find the security guard is very kind at the entry, really.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. You know what? I did not expect that it's like this. Come here, we will go out more but back. Oh my God, it's something different.
But there will be a very good view. There will be a very good view in the front.
Come. I will ring this one.
No. They will expose you. She arrived with not the right clothing and then she's not acting well.
Oh, God, wow, look at that.
That's why I want to go front first because look at that.
My gosh. You know what? I did not expect that it's like this here. I thought it's just really for tourists.
So we have a view on we're very close to the sea here. Very well.
Okay.
It's massive also, the building.
Can you see the sea?
A bit, but for sure I'm limited a bit, but they can see.
Yes, my God. But in your eyes, really, it's very nice. We didn't even expect that.
If we could look a bit more far on that direction, they have some good waves there. It's where the water enter really. So San Fernando is really like capital of surfing. So expect for sure if you want to go here and swim, expect that there's hours that it's really more windy with waves. It's maybe sometimes you cannot swim with younger kids as much as you would like going deeper because there is wind entering on that side.
Oh, okay. You know,
that's
guys,
good.
It's nice here. I like it.
How about the temple? Let's see a bit.
Yeah, you see, my gosh,
building.
The structure. You see,
with dragon on
it's
top.
Really.
You see that well? There's dragon here. Solid building that will last very long. Even the flooring here is nice. Maybe we go and take a look.
No, can you show the dress code also? This is where I got caught, guys. They don't like to be exposed. This one.
Try to not expose your shoulder, boobs, or whatever. That's what it means. This is the temple. They even have a ritual here inside. I don't know that much about how things goes here.
We don't
They have the
know.
ritual also.
But
You
it's
can
a
make a
nice
prayer
way that
here.
I never seen an altar like
But
that.
you know what? That's good because here you can make like a prayer and look at the view that they have. They have the seaside right in front. It's like perfect sight.
保佑你全家身心康泰，业障消除，家宅平安，六时吉祥，心想事成。阿弥陀佛。
I don't know how it works here. It's like a muscle. One
保佑
here.
你全家身体健康，财源广进，工作顺利，吉祥如意，心想事成。
We have some statue on that wall here. Here, look. I will show you one more thing here. Have that one here.
保佑你全
Look
家
up
工
or
作
high.
顺畅，吉祥
How
如
it's
意，
here.
身心康泰，福慧双生，心想事成。阿弥陀佛。保佑你全家事业顺利，财运亨通，信口常开，幸福增长，心想事成。阿弥陀佛。保佑你全家。